server there. Now what we are going to do is register with Shoutcast. I'm just going to restart it so everything could just be restarted accordingly and all the name changes and all that stuff could take place. All right. So now what we're going to do is register our station with Shoutcast. This is a very easy process. The first thing you're going to do in your stations is click on right here where it says quick links. Once you have clicked on quick links, the quick links thing is going to come up. You're going to click right here. Okay? Once you have clicked here, you're going to click where it says server login. You're going to click on server login. So your username is whatever you use to sign in with your thing, and your password to log into your station, I believe. So I'm just gonna go ahead real quick, and it's M zone here. So I need to put M zone here. I don't know the password, so of course I can always go to settings, and if you click where it says administrator password, okay, I'm gonna press pause while I get that. I'm not gonna share the password. Got the password. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here and press sign in. Okay. Oh, is it? No, it's Amazon. Is it? What title was it? One second. I did that wrong. So your username is admin, and your password is going to be whatever you use to sign in with your radio station. You're going to say sign in. I'm press save, so I don't remember. All right. So right now you see that the station is named Miracle Zone, but we actually want this to be changed. So I'm going to go to where it says update, and I'm going to go to manage authentication, yada, woo, 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 and it's going to log me into Shoutcast. Now, once it has logged me into Shoutcast, because I forgot which one that I use, right? And so here we go. So I have all of these stations and stuff. Okay, and you say, okay, cool. All right, so over here, I'm going to say view radio station, and I'm going to say you host. Let me do that again, because I know you like that. Might have went too fast. So when you go over here, you're going to accept the little cookies. You're going to go down here. You won't have anything here. I have a lot of things here. You're going to go here where it says new radio station. You're going to click that. Once you click that, you're going to put on you host, and you're going to say, let's go. Okay? If you don't already have, this costs $9.99 a month or something like that. You have to set up your information. So now it's going to tell you to drop your logo here. Okay, so I have the logo for there, and I'm just going to see. Oh no, let's redo that. So hold on. I'm gonna go over here to Canva.com, and I'm just gonna do 1200 by 12, like a 1200 by 1200 pixel. You can do that in Photoshop as well. That's just easier for me to do in Canva because I'm already here. Okay. So once I do that, I just want to make sure that it can read it and stuff like that. Then I'm just gonna say download. Okay. It's gonna okay. So now that I have that, I should be able to go back to here, do this accordingly. Crop. Now you can see it. Name of the station is VRESCO radio. Okay. Description. I don't know how to. Okay. Family Christian programming group. For I guess I do know. No 24/7. Do you go first? Let's go. Okay. Because they give me a description. All right. So now you're gonna put Christian Okay, so Latin in that category. Alright, that's fine. So let's do Latin first, and then Christian, like that. Okay? Then you're gonna let know it's an online station. You're gonna say continue. Okay? Which country is your radio station located in? United States. Right now we're gonna put it just salt.org. We're in Central Zone. Okay, so this is all optional, and then I'm gonna go to the station. Okay. So once we have gone to the station, I'm going to go to where it says, this is support. Where is it at? Advanced. Okay. So now you're gonna have this advanced, and it's gonna say authentication hash. You're gonna click right here. Once you have clicked right here, I'm gonna show you where I get to it. Once you have created the station, you go again, you go to settings. You're gonna click on advanced, and where it says alt hash, you're gonna click here. Once you have clicked here, that's when you are going to go to where it says Shoutcast Administrator. Okay, you're gonna go back here. We're gonna update this. Okay, and we're gonna say save. Once we have save, we're gonna come back in about 10 or 15 minutes, and then it should register with the Shoutcast directory. So we'll be back in just a few to see that. Well, we used to have to wait 10 minutes, but now it automatically did it. So now that it automatically did it, the radio station is here. Okay, is registered with Shoutcast. We are also able to go on any Shoutcast app and do that. And I'm gonna show you that in the next video when we do that, and you'll see once it's registered with Shoutcast, any Shoutcast app is gonna be on there. So on the next and it also gives you the station ID for Shoutcast. So now Frisco Frago is up and it's streaming publicly on there. Okay, so let's get ready to go to the next video where we are going to register in another location, which also registers to a whole bunch of different stuff. Okay, God bless.